Mothe tuli mwena wa Rainbow Ruiru Resort kuria kuma na igongona ria Muhia Wa Maingi na nie ndugamite nake haha gwenda meta bure maritwa mao
mwega mwiroreri wa njira njigwe TV nie njitagwo Luciana creative
rira nie mwiroreri ngunyite ugeni njitagwo Muhia Wa Maingi
ni join wokire muthenya umwe kuga aca hena andu megukunja ndirenda kunyitirira hena andu niki kiu gia kuheire
tukembia content ri tutira andu mangetunyita guoko this is how you do things, this is how you do things. Tukwa tumikite mistake nyingi. Ithu tukanire na matha Muhia Kīhiko ni umuwe. Ona ni umuwe. Tuigiranire industry hinde mwe nao. Now you can imagine andu makigeria kumenya riri. Who is the blogger, what they used to call us back then, ureka content njega na njoru. Na ithu tuoka ri tugikenio ni cai ure wa maritha. Ni twauribotaga na ti credit ndiramuhe. Ni twakora tukioya post hau hake tukaribota tondu ni twagite ki mentors twathi nginya kundu kumwe tukahurumurwo muno ta gwi kundu twathire na guku tukihurumurwo muno ni mu bishop umwe, we respect him so much. Twithie kundu kungi na kundu nginya twanyitanite mashati na guku na timu ya mundu fulani maundu macio nona ungihatwo kiundu githiini waku gigutura nginya ugakinya handu geciria I need to look for solutions. Whether that is wina andu ta ithuiri ndugi make mistake ira twekire. Since we lacked those people, instead of embracing us, one gutuhura. O mundu arogama, maburogama ni nyumu tuthukagiria ritwa. Ici tho cia ini. It was like that. These people don't care about your mental health. They don't care kama ni kazi umekosa. They don't care kana wewe hau ati kwiyethera 50 yaku kana igana tondu ri handu hangi ungimiona. No mundu ucio ni akuragira self esteem. Agwita ciugo icio. Auga inura maka ugithi handu ugithi kuingira yo kijicukaga tondu ahota kuingira ucokithirio haria. It was bad. You find some of us are professionals in other fields, but you're being treated ta mundu wa nduthi kana ta mundu tu waingira handu just because you're holding this. And the only difference between this and the rest, you're doing the same thing. These people who used to call us bloggers, they are doing the same thing we do. Mundu wothe wina thimu uraingira online aga post, they are a blogger, because blogging is passing of information. Riu ndaikarire thingiona ukakirora andu ayangi aria maroka ngona, these people we need to mentor them matikagerere maundu maria twakorirwo tukigererio. Na nikio igwa ni ngurehete speakers gucia ni mwatario maundu maingi ni mwerwo haria hagukanyanga haria hatari hagukanyanga ndigwa mukirwo mutigio horo wa gutrade na maundu moru, because at the end of the day it's not all about views. And take this as advice, it's not all about views. No ge million imwe views itaraguteithia. He mundu ararumanaga kule TikTok kamona karera gandu kahaha kararikirie ate exactly. Hena aduta Jeff Kuria, he has been doing this since 2015 na uko. Is he still relevant? Exactly. Mundu gwitwo Takamau atoria, we came around the same time. That guy used to be my friend. Na niye ngithie riu ngingira muno nake akingira uri ungi. Where is he now? He's not doing content. So tiga gutengera na views, tiga gutengera na rito cia guthukiria andu marito, and that is how the initiative was born. Riu muthenya wa muthe ndamenya kuri andu moka haha moka macenjetie mari andu different ni meguthiru gwika content at least makimenyaga where am I coming from. Tondu nyamu ici andu ingi mathomeire media, we no izino ko thomere ndaigo introduction yaku, not andu ingi, but we cannot dismiss an industry that is providing employment for the youths to dismiss other utokiugia atiriri othe mathinikanio. We have to mentor them uria megukorwo impactful, because we need them. Taru andu acio makironchi nyamu cio ni metaga content creators. Oguo nikio nginya wigwa content creators ni marutire rwimbo makiuga atiriri ngorago mwega mwena bata. It came from some of these incidences. That song was a true story. Mundu toy. So it's all about kugererio maundu nginya gakora you have to come up with such an initiative uthondekera njira andu aria me thutha witu mokite riu matirage tutingihura ime na mahura ime eni.
Riu Luciana we Kīhiko-ini we very young, we Kīhiko-ini we okay ngumwita atia young campus ugo niguo ngumwita tondu nie ndi haria nguga haya ni mahikanitie ngai nie nyonaga Kīhiko ngatengera ira mwiroreri witu hau uhoro wigi Kīhiko na kunyitirira mwanake muthuru waku ena vision, a very big vision. rimwe ni igua ni agukwa ngoro rimwe ni igua gatia tuhe mwihoko
Riu radio wanjira maundu maingi kihiko kunyitirira muthuri
cige hamwe.
Yes, kindu nie njugaga ni riri maisha maku matingihana ta ma mundu ucio ungi. Nduka discourage kihiko tondu kiang'ania gitia wakire. The same thing ni andu ingi muno, you know, kwi andu masucceedaga field ino, kwi angi mata succeedaga. Marriage works and two are better than one. When it comes to supporting your partner, support is two way. You know, your partner nigitho hote ku support muthuri waku no nginya nake akorwo ni agusupportete. Riu ni gukorwo haha muthenya wa umuthi ri ni uria Anis arugamaga na nie akani support. When you support each other, marriage becomes so easy. And another thing, empower yourself as a woman. Package yourself as a woman. Reke muthuri waku riri aragerera gathina ri ndakambe gwiciria kamundu kena hau nja no kamuteithie. Reke ambaye gwiciria atiriri, my wife, let me first call my wife and see if she can settle this. Let me see if she can help me in this. Koguo muthuri waku agikura ri kurania nake. Lakini ndukamukofie kiria areka, to nginya ukorwo ugika kiria areka. Do what you do best, but make sure you're going up the ladder, the two of you. It becomes so easy. Yes.
Na tukirikiria gwenda tu o muhe mwiroreri wakwa kiugo kimwe mukimeraga matu support.
Eroreri na inyue ni wega twitikire kurera iheo. Anake taya na iritu taya maretuma. Aya ni ega gukira aria turaigwa mareka maundu na guku. So ni wega tuma support na njira ya subscribe, na njira ya like, ku comment hu kama he feedback. Nigetha no magikore na mahote gukorwo makinyitirira. Riu turamanyitirira no makanyitirira ruciaro ruru rungi. So we are raising a generation. Ugu etikirai kuma support na njira ciothe mungihota.
Na ni no ndimwirire atiriri, keep pushing and don't compete with people, compete with yourself. Kwe mundu taru ni ndagire subscriber ngiri imwe na wiki. Kwe mundu ngiugiaga 10,000 na muthenya umwe. Na kwe nake wambiriirie 5 years ago arakinyirie subscriber 1,000 mwaka uyu, na o mwaka uyu arakinya 100,000 na arameki mbeca nyingi muno gukira ona iria andu aingi manona. Koguo ri compete with yourself, na o muthenya ugiukira make sure you learn something new. When you learn something new, develop yourself. Na ndukana kwe ngoro ati tondu mundu ni agia kiharaka, you know. Yes, keep pushing guys, na nawapenda.
All the time be letting God take the glory. No ugio na views ingiri na rimwe. Once you take the glory, wikire gite kia Ngai. I mean woe glory ya Ngai. Ugoci uke kuriwe. Riu eno athira. Be humble. Eno TV ni gukura ni ukugia millions of views. Be humble. Ndu na gata hana doka interview. Ani ngi hojire kwa kwa na subscriber ngiri 120. Be humble always. Reke Ngai oyage ugoci wake hindi ria fatie kuoya. Yani muguthie kundu kunene.
Thank you muno. Mweri guku tuma Rainbow Result neno yuma igongona ria Muhia Wa Maingi. Nie njitagwo Njeri wa Ndungu, tuwirigane.
Njitagwo Alasi.
Njitagwo Muhia Wa Maingi.
Njitagwo Luciana.
Mwiroreri wa njira njigwe no nyende gukwira subscribe.
Wega tuma support na njira ya subscribe, na njira ya like, ku comment hu kama he feedback.
Like, ku comment no share.